In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Odoo account. Whether you're a first-time user or a seasoned veteran, accessing your Odoo dashboard quickly and efficiently is the first step towards leveraging its powerful suite of apps. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you can access your account without a hitch. To start, you'll need to navigate to your Odoo instance's specific login URL. This URL is generally provided by your administrator or IT team, and it will direct you to the correct page where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you're on the right page to avoid any unnecessary confusion or security concerns. Once you've successfully landed on the login page, you will be required to enter your email address. If you're an administrator or using an admin account, you might have a specific username such as the literal admin, if your account was created with that specification. Be sure to use the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. After entering your email or username, it's time to input your password. This password is crucial for authenticating your identity and gaining access to the Odoo dashboard. If you ever find that you've forgotten your password, most login pages provide an option to reset it through your email. Now, there's an additional layer of security that some of you might have enabled, known as two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short. If 2FA is active on your account, you will be prompted to enter a verification code. This code is typically sent to your registered mobile device or email. Make sure your device is handy to retrieve this code promptly. Enter it into the appropriate field to verify your identity and proceed with the login. The next step, once you've accurately provided your email or username and password, and potentially your 2FA code, is to click on the Login button. This action will grant you access to your personalized Odoo dashboard, where all your applications and services are neatly organized for you. And there you have it, a straightforward way to log in to your Odoo account and initiate your tasks for the day. Remember that keeping your login information secure is imperative, so make sure you use strong, unique passwords and never share your verification codes with anyone. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to your support team for assistance. Thank you for watching, and have a great day navigating through Odoo.